Hello developers, in this video we will learn about Object.entries method and Object.assign method in JavaScript. So coming to Object.entries method, so it returns an array of key value pairs for each property in the object. So let's discuss it with some basic example. Let's create a person object having properties name, age, then country, say country. Okay. Now we will apply Object.entries method on this person object. So and we'll store the result in entries Object.entries method on person object. Okay. Now if we console entries, can you guess the output? We will get the key value pairs. Okay, this is how this is what we will get. We are getting the key value pairs. Okay, so what we have done is we have created a person object first having properties name, age and city. This is the person object with name, age and country. So we have used Object.entries method to get the array of key value pairs. Using this, we will get the array of key value pairs from person object. This is the key, this is the value, this is key, this is value. So we will get the key value pairs as an array. So this is the output here using Object.entries method. Now we will jump to Object.assign method. We will comment this code. So Object.assign method, it copies the properties from one or more source objects to the target object. So we will discuss it with some example. Let's copy this object. Now we will create another object. Const address city, let's say Jaipur. Okay, and gender, let's say building number, building. A. Okay, now we will apply assign method to these two objects and we will store it in some another object. Const person, this is the object name, person with address, Object.assign person comma address. Now we will console it. So what will be the output in this case? All the objects from the person will get copied in the address object and we will get a new object, person with address object. Let's check it in the console. So here we can see we are getting all the properties from both person object and address object. So this is the output. So what we have done is we have two objects, one is person object, one is address object, and we have used Object.assign to copy the properties from person and address into a new object. and new object we have firstly initialized is to empty object. So both the properties from person and address will get copied into this new object. So this is the output here.